Namaskar and welcome back to KSP Knowledge Hub. Today I want you to imagine something almost impossible. Not a war, not a natural disaster, just one simple event. Imagine that tomorrow morning every truck stops moving, every cargo vessel stops sailing, every warehouse stops operating, every logistics network around the world pauses, just for 24 hours. What would happen? Would we even notice? Let's find out.
Most people never think about supply chains.
We think about products from the moment we order them online to the second they arrive at our doorstep.
Think about the complex technology inside a modern smartphone, or the simple journey of a daily essential like a carton of milk.
And even the life saving medicine that we rely on for our health.
A shirt, a car. But behind every product is a journey.
A journey involving factories, ports, warehouses, trucks, ships, customs authorities, and thousands of people working together. When supply chains work well, they become invisible. And that's exactly why we underestimate them.
In the first few hours, life appears normal. People go to work, schools open, businesses start their day.
On the surface, everything appears completely normal. But beneath the surface, problems have already begun. Factories expecting raw materials don't receive them. Distribution centers stop receiving inventory. Production planners begin receiving alerts. Because modern business doesn't run on large stockpiles anymore, it runs on continuous movement. By midday, manufacturers start feeling the pressure. A missing component can stop an entire production line. One delayed shipment can impact hundreds of workers and multiple customers. This is the reality of today's interconnected world. A product assembled in India may depend on components from Germany, Japan, China, or the United States.
When movement stops, the entire chain feels it.
Now think about essentials. Food, medicine, healthcare. Supermarkets depend on regular replenishment. Pharmacies depend on continuous deliveries. Hospitals depend on reliable supply chains every single day.
Most of us don't realize that logistics is not just about business. It is about daily life. It is about keeping societies functioning.
Today, supply chains connect the world like never before. A single container may travel through multiple countries before reaching its destination. A delay at one point can create consequences thousands of kilometers away. That is why supply chains are often called the backbone of global trade. Not because they move goods, but because they connect economies. The world got a glimpse of this during the pandemic. Suddenly, supply chains became front page news. Ports were congested, containers were unavailable. Global freight costs began to increase dramatically across the board.
Businesses realize something important. Supply chains are not just operational functions, they are strategic assets.
When supply chains are strong, economies grow. When they break, everyone feels the impact. Behind every successful delivery is an army of professionals, truck drivers, warehouse teams, port operators,
Customs professionals, freight forwarders, supply chain planners. Most people never see them, yet every day they make modern life possible.
So what happens when the supply chain stops? The answer is simple. The world doesn't stop immediately, but it starts feeling the consequences very quickly. And that is why supply chains deserve more attention, more innovation, and more respect than they often receive. Because every product we touch has a story, and every story begins with movement. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to KSP Knowledge Hub for more insights into international trade, logistics, and the systems that keep our world connected. Orders create excitement. Systems create sustainability.
Trade smart, stay compliant, scale globally. This is Kalpana Patil, signing off. See you in next video.